guys, welcome back to my beauty stash, or welcome if it is your first time here. Hello, my name is Steff. I would love to have you become part of our makeup family, so be sure to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Hey guys, today I am really excited because I am trying Klarity Kosmetics for the very first time. I picked up the Evil Mermaid palette on its pre-order, and then it went into regular sale, and now unfortunately it is currently sold out, but they are planning a restock, and I'll put that date, if I can find it, in the description box of today's video in case this gorgeous color story appeals to you. Just know that it is going to be restocked, and I do have a code with Klarity Kosmetics. It is Steff5. Steff5 will give you, I believe, 5% off of your order, and it is, I believe, an affiliate code. So if you do end up using it, I'll make a little bit of money, and I thank you so much because it all comes back to help me support this channel. But this is my very first time trying the brand. When I saw this color story and I saw that it was a mermaid palette, an Evil Mermaid at that, I thought, you know what, this looks like a great place to start with Klarity Kosmetics, and I'm really glad I picked it up. It swatched really well. I also picked up a liquid lipstick. The liquid lipsticks on their site, they have so many different colors. They even have fun colors like blue and green. Those all retail for $10 a piece. I already have it on. The shade I picked up is called Gemini, and we are in Gemini season. I've been seeing that all over my Instagram. So shout out and happy birthday to all of my Gemini beauties out there. I am going to be creating 3 looks with this Evil Mermaid palette, and I am just so excited. Guys, just quick side note, I am messing with the audio settings. I'm kind of trying something different. So if you wouldn't mind, let me know what you think about the audio of this video, because any kind of feedback I can get as far as video production, editing, all of that stuff, I really appreciate it, guys. Like, I have to do everything. I set up everything in here, and then I do the editing myself, all of that. So anytime you all can give me some constructive feedback, that really helps me in putting my videos together. So I 100% appreciate it. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see the 3 looks I'm about to create using the new Klarity Kosmetics Evil Mermaid palette, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids using my favorite primer of the moment, the Too Faced newly reformulated Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. And I am just so ready to dive into this palette. Look at those beautiful shimmer shades. I mean, again, it swatched really well. I'm just so excited for it. This is definitely my color story. So I think I'm gonna get started with this shade down here. This shade is called Washed Ashore. I'm taking that shade on a Game Beauty E01. I'm just gonna be packing it in the crease. One of my favorite brushes for doing this type of work with. I've said this already so many times. You guys have seen me use this brush, and I do have a code with Game Beauty. I believe it's Steff10. All of my codes, guys, and links, they're at the very top of the description box in case you're ever wondering. And anytime you do use my codes or my links, guys, thank you so much, because it really does, it helps me out a lot to fund this channel. Okay, so this shade has built up beautifully. Wow, this is a beautiful shade. Now on a Refer 14, I'm going to go in with this shade up here. This one is called Aquaholic. I'm going to be focusing that right out here. Work it in the crease as well. So that is a beautiful shade, and I'm liking the combination of warm and cool. I feel like the first shade is definitely cool, and the shade I'm applying is a bit more on the warm side. All right, now with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the deepest shade in the palette, and this one is called Conspiracy. C-S-E-A, they separated it. That's too cute. I'm really liking the shade names in this palette. Nice touch. Ooh, and that is a nice deep, this is kind of like a plum and blue together. together. Really cool. A nice shade. And I'm glad that we got this shade in the palette. Okay guys, I think that looks like a nice blend. Now, which one of these 4 shimmer shades am I gonna use? Oh my god, they all look so beautiful. I think I'm gonna try this one. This is like the most, I guess, royal blue of the 4. This one is called Murky Waters. And I'm taking that on a damp Morphe M124. I did spray it with some setting spray. Now, you'll probably want to do some glitter glue, glitter primer, just because these shimmers are a bit textured. But since I am just gonna remove it, I'm not gonna wear it all day. That's why I'm not using any, but I would recommend that you get yourself some NYX glitter glue and go that route. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna do a combination of, let me start first with Aquaholic, and then I don't know if I'm going to want to deepen it up with this shade or go in with this shade below it. We'll see. And I'm using a Refer 26. I think I'm going to add a little bit of Washed Ashore, which was the very first shade, just right below it. Same Refer 26. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this shimmer. This is the lightest one. And this one is called Get Off My Tail. And I'm using that Refer 26, and I am going to spray it with some setting spray. I think I might have picked up a little too much. Wow. That's beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I did get a little bit of fallout. Again, glitter primer is going to be your best friend. I'll probably try using the glitter primer on the left eye, since I will likely remove this look to create the third look. But yeah, see right there? All right guys, so I'm going to add a liner, some lashes, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. All right guys, here's the completed look number 1. I love this. I love these colors all day long. Wow. Very good first impression. Klarity Kosmetics. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is this one from ColourPop. It is the Level Up Mascara. I went in with the 2 Give by Gwen Stefani eyeliners. Bathwater, this one right here. It's a metallic blue on the lower waterline. This is perfect with this palette. It's like the top shimmer shade and this blue eyeliner are the exact same shade. I love this. And the black eyeliner, I've been using this one a lot, and I just tight line the top waterline. The lashes I'll be using in today's video are my favorite of the moment, and they're these from Shop Miss A in the style Alexis. You get all these for less than $6. Not bad if you ask me. And this is the completed look, which I am very happy with. Let's jump over to the left eye and start working on look number 2. All right, guys, so for look number 2, I want to do something a little more dark and smoky. So I think I'm going to be working with this shade and this shade all over the lid. And then maybe add this shimmer on top. So I'm going to start first. Yeah, I'm going to start first with this shade right here. This one is called Beaches Be Crazy. Guys, the shade name's just absolutely adorable. And I'm going to place that in the crease. And then I'm going to use Conspiracy all over the lid. I'm using a Gain Beauty E01. So this shade has some pretty amazing payoff. I didn't expect it to be this shade. I thought it was just going to stay the lighter shade that it is in the pan. But as you can see, it's the shade right here. Like, you're able to deepen that up. And I love that. So now I'm going in with the Gain Beauty E02 and Conspiracy. And I'm just going to be packing that all over the lid and blending it into the crease as well. Now I'm going in with a Refer 14, no additional product, and I'm just going to use that to blend these 2 shades together. That Conspiracy shade, this darker shade, it packed on really well. That is a beautiful shade. And obviously that will take the place of having like a matte black. Now I'm going to go in with this deeper shimmer shade. This one is called I Don't Fin So. I'm taking this on a damp Morphe M124. I think I'm just going to focus this on the center. Adding a little bit of Conspiracy to each side. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with Conspiracy. And I'm using a BK204. Now I'm taking a little bit of Beaches Be Crazy on a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. And I'm just placing that below. Now I'm going to go back in with I Don't Fin So for the inner corner. Alright guys, so let me go add those finishing touches and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Alright guys, here's the completed look number 2. I added a little bit of, where did I put it? This Jelly Mutt shadow from Star Wars. This one is in the shade Astromic, and that's what I put right in here on the inner corner just to brighten it up a little bit. Same lash, same mascara, and I went in with the Give black eyeliner. It's called Spiderwebs for the lower waterline, and this is the completed look. I love it. I love it. Again, use your glitter glue. That's going to be the best bet to prevent some of the fallout, but I have been getting fallout just from the shimmer shades. I'm going to remove this eye look, and then I'll come back and we'll start working on the third and final look. All right, guys, let's start working on look number 3. Now, this is the only matte shade that I haven't used. I think I'm going to start off with that. That one is called Shell Shocked. And then the only shimmer I haven't used is this one over here. And this one is called Seize the Day. So let me go in with Shell Shocked first, all over the crease. And then I'll probably go in with Conspiracy to darken up the outer corner. And I'm using the Game Beauty E01. There is a little bit of kick up in the pan, but so far from the matte shades, I haven't gotten any fallout, and they've all been blending out and packing on really well. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going in with Conspiracy. Now I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade called Seize the Day, and I am going to apply some glitter glue first. And this is the one I use. It's the one from NYX. Super affordable. I'm just going to get some on my finger and apply to the lid. I'm using a Morphe M124. I did not spray it since I laid down the shimmer or the glitter glue. That is a beautiful shade. Wow. That could be my favorite shimmer out of the 4 in this palette. I'm going to add a little bit more of Conspiracy right here. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with this shade. This is the shade I put in the crease. Taking that on a Rephr 26. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of Conspiracy to tightline the lash line. Oh, I love it. Maybe this is my favorite look out of the 3. Now for the inner corner, I'm just going to go back in with Get Off My Tail. It is the lightest shimmer shade in the palette. And I'm using a damp Rephr 26. Alright guys, let me add some eyeliner, the other falsie, and I'll be right back to show you this third look. Alright guys, here's the completed third look with Evil Mermaid. I love it. I think this is my favorite look. The shimmer shade is absolutely beautiful. For the lower waterline, I went in with an LA Girl Shockwave Metallic Liner. This one is in the shade Dragon. Same mascara, same falsie. Love it, guys. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts in case you don't know them already on the new Klarity Kosmetics Evil Mermaid palette. Alright guys, so after creating 3 looks with the Evil Mermaid palette, it's a winner. This is a gorgeous ocean beach themed eyeshadow palette. I love the shades so much. This is definitely something that I gravitate towards, and this is definitely why it caught my eye, because of these gorgeous 9 shades. So we do get 4 shimmer shadows, and then we do get 5 matte shadows, and I think it is absolutely beautiful. If this is your color story, the teals, the blues, the greens, I mean, you're not going to have any issues with this palette. Aside from the fallout that you'll get from the shimmer, use the glitter glue, pick yourself up. Where did I put it? I think I put it away already. Pick yourself up some of the NYX glitter glue, and you're going to be just fine. But I thought that all the looks I was able to create with the palette were absolutely beautiful, amazing first experience with Klarity Kosmetics. And again, if you use my code STEFF5, that will take 5% off of your order. Now, as far as the liquid lipstick goes, this is in the shade Gemini. I think it paired perfectly with all 3 looks. It is a matte formula, and I've been drinking tea and water. Here are my tumblers, and nothing has come off on the straws. Like, it's there, and it's there to stay. It's going to be a pretty long wearing liquid lipstick, and there are so many different shades to choose from on the Klarity website. And guys, with that, I'm going to give Evil Mermaid and the liquid lipstick 2 thumbs up. I thought it was a beautiful palette. I mean, just performed so well. If you're looking to try the brand for the first time, this would be a great place to start, and I will leave when it comes back in stock or an expected date in the description box, providing I can find it and get that information before this video goes up. But let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you think of Klarity Kosmetics? What are some of your favorite items? Or maybe you've never heard of them before. Leave me your thoughts on the 3 looks and let me know which look you like best. Are you team 1, 2, 3, none? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.